This video is brought to you by HLT Software Solutions, a research and development as well as IT training company.
Hi everyone, welcome to the session. This session is mainly deals with the all Google products such as Google Sheets, Google Documents, Google Forms and the Google Slides. These are all the different products that has been released by the Google. So this session we are going to discuss about all these Google products. So today we are going to discuss mainly about the Google Sheets. So before going to the session, I just want you to know what are the topics that I am going to tell you in this session. So you can see on the screen like the topics which I am going to tell you in the session 1. So those are introduction and the definition of the Google Sheets, difference between the Google Sheets and the Microsoft Excel sheets, how to open the Google Sheets, how to create the Google Sheets. So let's get started. So as I told you, the first topic is introduction to the Google Sheets. So generally, what is a sheet or what is the term meant by a sheet? So sheet is nothing but we can call it as simply a paper or we can call it as a document where we can store the data or we can write the data. What is Google Sheet? In general terms, simply we can call it as a simple spreadsheet where we can manage the data, handle the data, and we can perform different types of operations on the data. Right? So coming to the definition, what is a Google Sheet? Is an online spreadsheet that lets you to create and format the data in the spreadsheet. It allows you to work simultaneously with other people also. That means Google Sheets are nothing but simply online spreadsheets which allows the user to perform their operations on the data, to handle the data, to manage the data in a simple manner. Google Sheets are not only the spreadsheets, but you can consider it as a hugely powerful tool. From everything coming to the digital marketing to the finance modeling, and from coming to the project management to the statistical analysis. And we can give another definition such as simply we can call it as an activity which involves in the data analysis or the data recording. That means simply we can call the Google Sheet is a spreadsheet where we can handle the data, manage the data, and perform different number of operations like sum, count, average. That depends upon the user actions or the functionalities. So this is all about the introduction to the Google Sheets. So coming to the remaining points like who is the developer, when it has been released. So coming to the developer, as the name indicates, Google Sheets. So Google is the main developer, or it is one of the Google product that has been released by the Google. So its initial release is March 9th, 2006. It is nearly available around 83 languages. The developer has developed the Google Sheets by using the JavaScript scripting. So there are different types of OSs, that is operating systems such as Windows, Android, Microsoft. So different BlackBerry. So different types of OSs supports this Google Sheet. So coming to the second topic, that is what is the difference between the Google Sheets and the Microsoft Excel sheets. So before going to tell the differences, so let me show you like what is the difference between the view of the Google Sheet and the Microsoft Excel sheet. That means how the look differs from Microsoft Excel sheet to Google Sheet. So as you can see, it is the Microsoft Excel sheet where we can perform different types of operations such as I told you, addition, multiplication, subtraction, percentage. So these are the different mathematical operations we can perform in an Excel sheet, and other larger any operations that the user according to the user requirements. So coming to the Google Sheet, how the Google Sheet looks. You can see it here. This is how the Google Sheet looks. So now you can have the view difference between the how Microsoft Excel sheet looks and how the Google Sheet looks, right? So now coming to the differences, what are the main differences between the Google Sheet and the Microsoft Excel sheet? So what are the differences? So coming to the Microsoft Excel sheet, it has been developed by the Microsoft Corporation in 1987. Whereas coming to the Google Sheets, it has been developed by the Google in 2006, as I have told you in the introduction, right? So and Microsoft Excel, that is MS Excel, has been released in a bunch. That means it is not singly released, but it is released as a pack of MS Office. That means this MS Office, that is pack of MS Office consists of different types of products such as MS Word, MS Documents, Microsoft PowerPoint. So these are the different products that has been launched as a bunch or a pack of products. So coming to the Google Sheets, these sheets are also being released as a pack, that is G Suite. This G Suite consists of different products like Google Forms, Google Documents, Google Slides, Google Calendar. So different products. That means a group has been released by the Google. And coming to the main feature of Excel, that is tracking of data when there is any change happens in the data. But there is a drawback there. When the user enables the data tracking feature, then only it has the ability perform or it has the ability to perform the task, that is tracking of the changes in the data. Whereas coming to the Google Sheets, the tracking of the changes in the data is a default option in the Google Sheets. That means by defaultly the Google Sheet has that facility or the feature. That means automatically if any changes has been occurred in the data, the Google Sheets will be automatically tracks the data. But coming to the Microsoft Excel sheet, only if the feature was being enabled by the user, that means if the user allows the feature to work, then only it can track the changes of the data. So coming to the next difference, that is Excel has the main ideal, or it has the main idea to work for the larger data sets, whereas coming to the Google, it is more suitable for working for the smaller data sets. And coming to the Excel sheets, these files can be used in a single computer by the single person at a point of time. But whereas coming to the Google Sheets, so multiple persons can simultaneously works on the Google Sheets at the same point of time. And coming to the Excel, compared to the Microsoft Excel sheet or Microsoft Excel, the Google Sheet has low cost, or you can call it as negligible cost. That means these Microsoft Excel sheets are very expensive. So we need to buy the entire bunch of MS Office. So it is very expensive when compared to the Google Sheets. These Google Sheets are free of cost. So these are the main differences between the Microsoft Excel sheet and the Google Sheet. So coming to the last topics of the today's session, that is how to open the Google Sheet and how we can create a new sheet, right? Let me show you. So just go to the browser and you just need to type Google Sheets. And if you just you can see here Google Sheets free online spreadsheet for personal use. If you just need to click on that, you can see different products that has been launched by the Google. And as we are discussing about the Google Sheets, just click on the Google Sheets. As we have logged in, it will show you that. And this is how we are. And if you go to this and if you click on the sheets, you can see what are the slides sheets present, and you can see if you click on the press, the sheet will be opened. So this is the one way of opening the sheets, right? And the other way is that as we already signed in, or all of us like uses systems or computers or laptops, right? We will be signed in to the laptop. So while signed in through our Gmail, you can see here like there are 3 line dots which indicates the different products or the apps of the Google. So you can see, you can scroll down, you can see the Google Sheet icon. If you simply click on that icon, the Google Sheets will be open. And if you click on plus icon, the sheet will be open, right? And if you click on, as I told you, if you want to create a new sheet, just go to the sheet. If you click on the new, you can see different types of sheets, documents, or presentation, what you want. So as we are talking about the sheet, you just click on the spreadsheet and the new spreadsheet will be open. That is, new Google Sheet will be open. Just click on the untitled spreadsheet. So you have to name as per your wish. I just given sheet 1 and it has been saved. So this is how we are going to create a sheet, that is Google Sheet, right? So this is all about the session. The session I have told you about the introduction, definition of the Google Sheets, and what are the major differences between the Microsoft Excel sheet and the Google Sheets. And the third is nothing but how we are going to open the sheets in different types, and what is or how we are going to create a new worksheet, right? So this is all about the session.